she's our baby sister, and she's so happy to be making this video with us today. Before we get on with the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I have my Elmer's Blue in the Dark slime.
I have a yellowish greenish glow dark slime.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna dump the whole thing in the bowl.
Make sure you get all that.
Make sure
slime. It's so gross, but it's so cool.
So once you get all your glue out and into the bowl, you can add some Elmer's magical liquid. And what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. And start mixing that. Here, you can try now.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're going to start mixing.
Okay, that's just gonna work out.
If you think you've mixed it enough, you can add 2 more tablespoons of magical liquid.
Thank you.
And that's all that we're gonna add, but you can add more if you want to, depending on how you want your slime to feel. And I'm just gonna keep mixing this a little bit.
So I'm gonna keep on mixing it. Maybe that's not the perfect time to do that.
I really like how this feels. It's super slimy.
So I'm still mixing mine. Mine looks really gross, but it's gonna be really satisfying.
It's super stretchy. Another tablespoon of Elmer's magical liquid because I wanted my slime to be more firm, and it's actually working. It's so stretchy. It's really glittery.
But once you start kneading it for a lot, it will turn into a very nice slime. It is still super sticky. This is not how you want your slime to turn out. Whenever you think it's done, you just want to make it like more neater.
I'm gonna get all the slime
It's
off
really
my
crunchy already. Okay, so our slime is ready, and now we're gonna try to go test it if it actually glows.
This really glows.
It's super vibrant, and I really like the color. Mine's like a green.
It's really bright.
If you just stretch it like, it is super cool.
Sticky.
Well, yeah. Here.
I'm gonna try to make a bubble.
This is not even almost a good swirl, but I'll call it as a good swirl for this one.
I made a bubble.
It is super cool. But it's gonna be crunchy. Got my bubble ready. Stretch. Make a bubble.
Oh, it's a tiny bubble. So cute. It's so glittery. I like all the glitter. It kind of reminds me of like an elf playground.
She got it on the screen.
Thanks guys for watching this video. Our slime worked out. And if you like this video, don't forget to put a big thumbs up and chat with your friends. Bye!